This is I Love Coffee Part 1. Luckily for us, all you have to do is use finger number 2 on your right hand. And then we started this a while ago, so hopefully everyone will remember this. And then we'll do like a group concert together. So find groups of 2. And then all you're doing is looking at this Hello Kitty on the black key. You're going to hit the white key, and then black key, back to white key, and then black key, white key, and black key. So it goes like this. I love coffee, I love tea. That's it for first section of part 1. And then after you're done with this, you're gonna go to the groups of 3. Start with this lollipop, and you're gonna go, I love coffee, I love tea. So let's do the whole first line together. It goes, I love coffee, I love tea, I love coffee, I love tea. So watch your video a couple of times, and then I want you to complete that. And once you complete that, you're gonna go to the groups of 3 black keys, and you're gonna start from the second one, just like this. Don't you see? Don't you see? And start with where you left off. I love coffee. Go to the white key, and then I love tea. I'm gonna do the whole thing now, and then I want you to break it down little by little. Stop the video if you have to, and then let's see if you could do the whole thing together. The groups of 2, and you start with the right one. I love